Sum-IFs lets you add up numbers using multiple conditions at once, no manual filtering needed. Master this one formula and you'll analyze any dataset in seconds. Imagine you need total sales for only the East region in January. Filtering and adding manually takes forever. There has to be a better way, and there absolutely is. Start by clicking an empty cell, then type equals SUMIFS and open a parenthesis. Your first argument is the sum range. Select column C, which holds your sales values. The full formula is SUMIFS, sales range, then region range equals East, then month range equals January. Each condition pair filters your data before summing. Beautifully simple. Hit Enter and Excel instantly returns 5200. Only the East January row matched both conditions. You can stack as many condition pairs as you need for deeper analysis. You just learned SUMIFs with multiple conditions. Add any number of criteria pairs to filter and sum your data instantly. Like and subscribe for a brand new Excel tip every single day.